Hello everybody and welcome back to Beae tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be discussing how you can translate your pages and templates using Translate My Store and Currency application. So without wasting any further time, let's just get started. Right now let's start off by selecting a template. So I'm going to be heading over to Pages section, and in here I'm going to be selecting a template that I already created. So you can see I have opened up this template, and right now it's obviously all written in English. You can see heading line is in English, and also this font body, this button, and pretty much all of it is in English. What I want is that I want all of this to be translated into German. To do so, you can follow this step-by-step guide. First of all, you need to head over to your Shopify account, and from there you need to head over to this app section. In here you will be able to see Translate My Store and Currency application. Click on that. After clicking, you can see we are now directed towards its dashboard, and in here from the right side you have to select manual translation. You can also see the free label in front of that. Click on that and you can see now we have various options in here. It is asking how do you want to find the text to translate. You can select find by filters, find by keyword search, find product by title. We are going to be selecting find by filter. If you scroll a little bit down, you can see you have your step 1, select the translatable items, which is a basic filter of course. And below that you can see you have 3 options: select language, select a resource type to translate, select a translation status. We are going to be selecting German from the first option. Secondly, we are going to be selecting online store theme. You can see you have all of these options in here, but we are going to be selecting online store theme. Finally, we are going to be selecting the translation status. In here, we are going to be selecting not translated. You also have outdated and not translated and all. The select not translated, and you can see when you select the final option, a new button just pops up which is saying load items for manual translation. When you click on that, below you have now various fields. From here you're going to be selecting this sections tab, and when you select sections you can see you have some options below from which you have to select these 3 dots option. This will allow you to target the particular page that you want to translate. From here I'm going to be selecting my Beae translate template which I created just for this particular video. So click on particular page that you want to translate, and once you select your page you can see you have your original text which is obviously in English, and in front of that is the current published translation which will be in Germany that we are going to be providing. So it is recommended that you open Google Translate in the other tab. As you can see right now I have Google Translate opened. And now I'm going to be simply copying these English phrases and pasting them into. Make sure from the second section you have selected German. Paste your English sentence in here and you can see German translation is now available. Copy the German translation and paste it under the current published translation field. Once you paste it, make sure you don't forget to save changes. You can do that by clicking the Save Changes button. Similarly, you are going to be doing the same exact process for all of these fields to translate your total page. And once you do that, you'll be having your entire page translated into German from English. So give me a couple of moments until I translate all of these phrases into German, and I'll catch you in a moment. Right now, as you can see, I have translated pretty much every field, and now our page should be translated to German, except for some fields that I didn't translate it. So let's just now head over to the front end page and see how is it looking. So right now as you can see we are on Beae, and here you will be asking that you are not able to see any of the translations. So the point to be noted here is that the translation that you will be adding will not be appearing on the Beae landing page builder. Instead they will be appear only if you publish and preview the page. So let's do that. Click on update and wait for a couple of seconds. And once your page is updated, you can click on view. And right now, as you can see, our page is now visible on front end side. From here, you're going to be selecting German. And once you do that, you can see on our front end page, our page is now translated into German. As you can see in here, the translation that we added are now being displayed on our side. So it is working pretty great. You also can see all of these comments that were added are now in German. So that's pretty much it for Translate My Store and Currency application, and I really hope you understood the concept and how to use it. Translating your pages could be really beneficial as it makes your page SEO friendly by executing a specific keyword strategy. Website translation is important. This attracts many potential visitors to your site. Website translation will increase the possibilities of attaining good search results, ranking, and will help you to get exposure. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.